Hi students, good morning. The range of the function a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Now find the minimum and maximum values of the function 5 cos x plus 3 into cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 8 minimum and maximum values. So this expression I have to reduce in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c form. Now this is 5 cos x plus 3 into, so this is cos of a minus b, cos a, cos b pi by 3 minus sin a, sin x into sin pi by 3 plus 8. So this is 5 cos x plus 3 into, this is cos x, cos pi by 3, pi by 3 means 60 degrees, cos 60 value 1 by 2 minus sin x into sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus 8. So this is 5 cos x plus 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 cos x minus 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 by 2 into sin x plus 8. So these two, so this is, if you take cos x is taken common, 5 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2 into cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 into sin x plus 8. But taking LCM, this is a 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 2 cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x plus 8. So this is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c form. Is of the form, this is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c form. Now a is equal to 13 by 2, b is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2, c equal to 8. So the minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. That is equal to c is 8 minus root of a square is 169 by 4 plus b square plus this is b, by squaring this, so this is 9 into 3, 27 by 4. So this is equal to, so 169, that is plus 27 by 4. So this is equal to 169 and 27. So this is 6. This is 9. That is equal to, so root of 196 by 4. So this is equal to root of 30 root of, see here, this is 4 times 49, that is equal to 7. Okay, therefore this value is what? So this value is that is equal to, so this is equal to 8 minus a root of, the value is 49, that equal to 8 minus 7, that is 1. So minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is equal to c plus a root of a square plus b square, that is c is 8 plus 7, that equal to 15. So minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 15. Next one, the range of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Range means you have to find minimum and maximum values. Now this is a sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to, this is right, sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Now we write a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab. So this is a square plus b square form. So this is a sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta. Now this is 1 minus 2. This one we are multiplying and dividing by 2 into 2 sine square theta cos square theta, multiplying dividing by 2. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2 into, so this is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. This is 4 sine square theta cos square theta. So numerator is 4 sine square theta cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into, so this is sine 2 theta formula. What is sine 2a formula? Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos a. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2 into sine square 2 theta. Now we have to find the range of this one. Sine theta function, sine theta range minus 1 to 1. Sine square theta range 0 to 1. Since 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1. Sine square 2 theta value multiplying by a negative number, so minus 1 by 2. So 0 greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Now adding 1 completely, 1 greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta greater than or equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is 1 greater than or equal to this greater than or equal to 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta less than or equal to so this is here, this is 1, adding 1 completely, so this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 less than or equal to, therefore the range is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1. So the range of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1 by 2 comma 1. Next one, periodic function. Periodic function. See, a function f from a to r, it is a function from a to r, is said to be a periodic function, is said to be periodic function. Function with period. With period t, a function f of x is said to be periodic function with period. Periodic function if there exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x belongs to A. See, a function f is a function from A to R is said to be a periodic function if there exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x. Here t is called period of the function of f of x. There exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x. Then t is called period of the function or simply called fundamental period of the function f of x. Just for example, if you take f of x is equal to sin x, sin x. Now f of something x plus something is equal to, if you are getting same sin x, then this is called period of the function sin x. We cannot put 0 here because the least positive real number t. Don't put 0 here. Suppose if you put this is 90 degrees, so suppose verification, sin of 90 plus x is equal to what? Cos x. Sin of 180 plus x is equal to minus sin x. Sin of 270 degrees plus x is equal to minus cos x. Sin of 360 degrees plus x is equal to sin x. That is sin of 2 pi plus x is equal to sin x. Okay, so this is f of x plus t is equal to same, you are getting sin x. So there exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x. Then t is called period or fundamental period of the function f of x. Okay, suppose if you take f of x equal to sin x, f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x plus 2 pi is equal to, or f of 2 pi plus x is equal to, this is a sin of 2 pi plus x, that is equal to sin x. This is equal to f of x. If you take f of x equal to sin x, f of 2 pi plus x equal to what? Sin of 2 pi plus x, that is sin x, which is f of x. Therefore f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. See the definition. What is the definition? F of x plus t is equal to f of x. Then t is called period of the function f of x. Here 2 pi is the period of f of x is equal to sin x. That is 2 pi is the period of sin x. Next, if you take f of x is equal to cos x, f of, this is a 2 pi plus x is equal to cos of 2 pi plus x is equal to, this is first quadrant cos x, which is equal to f of x. So f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. Therefore 2 pi is the period of cos x, implies 2 pi is the period of cos x. Okay, suppose if you take f of 4 pi plus x is also equal to sin x, f of 6 pi plus x is also sin x, but 4 pi and 6 pi, that is also a period, but the fundamental period is what? This is 2 pi. Why? Because the least positive real number t, least one is 2 pi. If it is 4 pi plus x, also sin x, 6 pi plus x, also sin x, 8 pi plus x, also sin x, but that is also a period, but this is called the period. 2 pi is the period, that is called fundamental period. The least positive real number t, least one is what? 2 pi. That is called period, or that is called a fundamental period. So 2 pi is the period of cos x. If you take another example, f of x equal to tan x. So f of pi plus x is equal to, so this is the tan of pi plus x. Tan of pi plus is third quadrant, tan is positive, that is equal to tan x, which is equal to f of x. So f of x plus t is equal to, this is f of x. Therefore what is t is here? Therefore pi is the period of tan x. Therefore that is period of tan x is equal to pi. Okay. There exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x, then t is called the period of the function f of x. So f of x is equal to, one thing is f of x equal to mod of sin x, the period of mod of sin x. If you take f of x plus pi is equal to mod of sin of x plus pi or pi plus x. This is equal to what? Sin of pi plus x equal to third quadrant, sin is negative. So this is minus sin x. This is equal to what? Mod means what? So this is sin, because mod, that is equal to what? F of x. So f of x plus pi or pi plus x is equal to f of x. Therefore, the period of mod sin x is pi. Similarly, the period of mod cos x is also pi. Period. Okay na? So period of mod cos x is pi, period of mod sin x is pi. Next point, if f of x is a periodic function with the period t, then f of ax plus b, plus some constant c is also a periodic function with the period t by mod a. F of x is a periodic function with the period t. Then f of ax plus b plus some constant c is also a periodic function with the period t by mod a. Suppose if you take one example, f of x is equal to sin of 3x plus 4. Sin of 3x plus 4. So the period of 3x plus 4. So this is, if you take f of x is equal to sin x. What is the period is what? Period is 2 pi. Now if you take f of 3x plus 4 means what? In place of x you write 3x plus 4. So this is sin of 3x plus 4. What is the period is what? Period is equal to 2 pi by mod a, where a is 3, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So period of sin x is 2 pi. Period of sin of 3x plus 4 is what? Sine function period is 2 pi. Sine function period is 2 pi. Sin x period 2 pi. Sine of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a, where a is what? So this is 3. Now, period of cos x. Period of cos x is 2 pi. Now, the period of cos of 5x minus 3 is equal to 2 pi by 5. And the period of cos of x by 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 pi by a, where a is what? 1 by 3. That is equal to 6 pi. 6 pi. Next to period of tan x is pi. Now, period of tan of 4x plus 5 is what? Pi by 4. Pi by mod a. So, by this definition, tan x period is what? Pi. Tan of 4x plus 5 period, pi by mod a, where a is 5. Next to period of tan of x by 2 is equal to pi by, where a is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 pi. That is 2 pi. Next one, period of sine square x. Period of sine square x. So, this is f of x is equal to sine square x. This can be written as by using a cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is what? 1 minus 2 sine square x. 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So this is what? F of ax plus b plus c. Now, what is the period of cos x equal to what? Period of cos x is 2 pi. Now its period is what? 2 pi by mod a, where a is 2. That is equal to pi. Okay, na? So this is the period. That is if n is even, then the period of sin power nx or cos power nx is pi. Its period is what? Pi. N is even. Its period is, that is That is very simple one. So if f of x is equal to sin x, sin square x. Now f of pi plus x is equal to, this is sin of pi plus x whole square, that equal to minus sin x whole square, that is equal to sin square x, that is equal to f of x. F of x. Therefore f of x plus pi equal to f of x. Therefore its period is what? Pi. So period is pi. Suppose if it is odd number, odd, sin cube x. So in this case, this pi is not the period. Why? Because sin of pi plus x whole cube minus sin x whole cube, that is minus sin cube x, which is not equal to f of x. Therefore, if it is power is even number, its period is what? Pi. Period is pi. Now function and period. Here sin x 2 pi, cos x 2 pi, tan x 2 pi, sin of ax plus b 2 pi by mod a, cos of ax plus b 2 pi by mod a, tan of ax plus b pi by mod a, mod sin x or mod cos x or mod tan x. Okay, period is pi. Period is pi. Next one, sin power nx, cos power nx, sin power nx and cos power nx. Is if n is even, period is pi. Sin power nx, cos power nx. If n is odd, period is 2 pi. Period is 2 pi. Next point, constant function is periodic function with no fundamental period. Constant function is also a periodic function with no fundamental period. That means what? Constant function means what? Suppose if you take f of x equal to constant, means f of 1 equal to k, f of 2 equal to k, f of 3 equal to k, f of anything is k. So this is called constant function. So for any value of x, it is always constant. So this is called constant function. This is periodic function. We cannot say the period. So that is called no fundamental period. Constant function. Next point. So sin x period 2 pi, cos x period 2 pi, tan x period. So this is pi. Tan x period is pi. Now sin of ax plus b 2 pi by mod a, cos of ax plus b 2 pi by mod a, tan of ax plus b pi by mod a, mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x. These are all periodic functions with period is pi. So sin power n x, cos power n x, cosecant power n x, secant power n x, anything if n is even, period is pi. Sin power n x, cosecant power n x, secant power n x, and here n is odd number, its period is 2 pi. Suppose if two different functions are given, then how to find the period? Suppose if you take f of x is equal to, this is mod sin x plus mod of cos x. Okay, or just you can write one point. If t1 comma t2 if t1 comma t2 are periods of f1 of x, one function, and f2 of x, second function, respectively. And g of x equal to a into f1 of x plus b into f2 of x is also a periodic function. Is also a periodic function. Is also a periodic function, and a period of g of x g of x is t is equal to LCM of t1 and t2. In some cases t itself is the period of the function, and in some cases a submultiple of t may be the fundamental period. Some cases That is, if t1 comma t2 are periods of f1 of x, f2 of x respectively, two functions, and g of x equal to their sum maybe or difference is also a periodic function, and a period of g of x is t, where t is what? LCM of t1 and t2. In some cases, t itself is the period, and in some cases, a submultiple of t may be the period. Period means what? The fundamental period of the given function. So this point is very important. Just I will give you. Suppose if f of x is equal to mod sin x plus mod of cos x. What is the period of this function? Period is pi. What is the period of this function? Pi. It's okay. So this is t1. This is what? t1. What about this one? t2. t1 is the period of mod sin x. t2 is the period of mod sin x. Now the period of the given function is what? What is the period? Period of f of x equal to LCM of t1 and t2. That is what? LCM of pi comma pi. That is what? Which is equal to pi. But this is not the period. Why? Because so in some cases t itself is the period, that is pi itself is the period, and in some cases a submultiple of t. Submultiple means what? If A is an angle, submultiple means what? A by 2 or A by 3 or A by 4. These are called submultiple angles. Means some cases t itself is the period. In some cases a submultiple of t may be the fundamental period. Why it is not a period? See, so according to the first statement, the period of g of x equal to t, where t is LCM of t1 and t2. But the LCM of t1 and t2 is what? LCM of pi comma pi is pi. But this is not the period. So we can go to the second definition. Some cases submultiple of t may be the fundamental period. Why it is? So I will give the clear explanation for this. F of x is equal to mod of sin x plus mod of cos x. Now I am taking f of pi by 2 plus x equal to mod of sin pi by 2 plus x plus mod of cos pi by 2 plus x. That equal to, this is cos x plus cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. But mod means what? You can take it positive. That is mod cos x plus mod sin x, because mod of minus 2 is nothing but mod 2. So which is equal to what? Again this is f of x. So f of pi by 2 plus x is equal to what? F of x. Now what is the period? Is what? Pi by 2. Therefore period is equal to pi by 2. That means in some cases a submultiple of t, means submultiple of pi means pi by 2 is the fundamental period. Of course pi is also a period, but the fundamental is what? The least positive real number. So pi by 2. F of pi by 2 plus x equal to f of x. Therefore period is what? Pi by 2. So period of mod sin x plus mod cos x is what? Pi by 2, but not pi. If only mod sin x, period is pi. If it is only mod cos x, period is pi. Now the given question is what? See here, this is f1x and f2x. This is the one function, this is one function. There is sum. So that is the pi by 2 is the period. Okay, thank you.